Thai restaurant here. We're gonna get some pad Thai. So I'm gonna show you what the food looks like, and we're also just gonna give you a brief little show of what the restaurant looks like. It looks pretty cool. And we got some stuff that just came to our table. So we got some signature nut tea. I got a Coke for myself, and then this is going to be for the pad Thai. So we'll show you what that looks like as well in a minute. And yeah, it's a Thai restaurant, and it's a really nice venue, as you can see from outside. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. That looks really, 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 really good. So you got the chopsticks here, so they usually just put it on the table and then you can grab it. This one. Or you can also grab a fork too. Want a fork? Okay, so we're all set. And we got some little bowls here that we can share and do a little community here. All right. So there's a really nice setting in here. Okay, what do you think? Was that pretty good? You got some pad Thai, right? So this is the restaurant we're at, and it's called like it says boat noodles, and I think they call it can you get out of there? There you go. And this is in TAIPA. So we're on Hua De Hong Chau, and it's called Voyage Thai Kitchen. So you can see it right there. We did pretty well, eh? So that's the place. It has this really nice little corner too, so that's the other thing I like as well. It has like a nice atmosphere to it. So yeah, Voyage Boat Noodles. And this is the other cross street it's on right here as well. Hua De Nam Keng in Macau's TAIPA side. Okay. What should we say?
You should try out the restaurant and like and subscribe.
There you go. Okay, this is a Vietnamese restaurant during the daytime, and yeah, it has a really nice corner. So I like the fact that it has this kind of nice little windows and everything. And then this one is actually on Hua De Nam Keng. So it's on the corner of Hua De Nam Keng. And then the other corner is right over here, Hua De Hong Chau. So I'm also going to highlight that. So it's on that corner, and it's in TAIPA. And there it is right there. It's always busy. There's always lots of people in it. So we're just gonna walk down real quick. I'm just gonna show you this area. That's Altira Hotel right there. Like, that's a giant hotel. So anyways, that's our target Thai restaurant. Yeah, really, really good. And we'll come around the corner like that. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.